Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize interest rates with HSBC detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the HSBC official website. Navigate to the personal banking section. Look for the interest rates tab. Select the type of account you hold, such as savings or loan. Review the current interest rates listed. Check if there are promotional offers available. Consider signing up for a high-interest savings account if you haven't already. Evaluate your financial goals to determine the best account type for your needs. If looking for loans, compare fixed and variable rate options. Access the loan calculator tool on the website. Input your desired loan amount and term length to see potential interest costs. Take note of any additional fees associated with different accounts or loans. Contact HSBC customer service for personalized advice on interest rates. Inquire about any loyalty programs that could enhance your interest rates. Consider setting up automatic payments to avoid late fees and to possibly secure better rates. Explore online banking options for easy monitoring of your interest income and expenses. Stay informed about market conditions affecting interest rates by subscribing to HSBC's financial newsletters. Review your accounts regularly to ensure you are taking full advantage of interest rate options. Adjust your financial plan as needed based on changes in HSBC's offerings or your personal situation. Follow up on any inquiries or applications you submit to ensure timely processing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.